This exercise strengthens the core, the hips, and the arms, and it can improve trunk stability and balance during any movement or functional activities, and it can also help prevent back pain. So for this exercise, you're going to start off on your hands and knees on a comfortable surface, and you're going to alternate lifting opposite arms and legs. So if I'm lifting my left arm, I'm going to be lifting my right leg. And while you're doing this exercise, it's also important to keep your back flat and your core tight. To make this exercise easier, start off in the same position on your hands and knees, but just alternate lifting the arms. To make this exercise more advanced, you can use arm and leg weights. If you don't have a weight, that's okay. You can just use something like a soup can or a water bottle. So some common mistakes that I see when people do this exercise is not keeping your core tight and letting your back arch too much. So you really want to contract your stomach, tuck your belly button in, and make sure your hips and shoulders are aligned.